how to fuck your wife. Don't know how to live a digital-less life. Fuck your cat like a clown. Welcome to Brown Town. Society has become more machine than man. You know you understand. Sex robots are coming to slaughter your butt. One download gets you a slut. One download gets you a slut. Trying to be human, trying to live free, believing in organic humanity. Sex robots are coming to slaughter your butt. One download gets you a slut. Trying to be human, trying to live free, believing in organic humanity.
Fucking real, bro. Drink another beer, feel like slow-mo. Yeah, it's Brown Town. Hear the voices, hate it. It's Brown Town.
Gotta Google how to fuck your wife. Don't know how to live a digitalist life. Fuck your cat like a clown. Welcome to Brown Town. Welcome to Brown Town. Society has become machine than man. You know you understand. Sex bots are coming to slaughter your butt. Slaughter your butt. Slaughter your butt. One download gets ya a slut. Welcome to Brown Town. Welcome to Brown Town. Fuck your cat like a clown. Fuck your cat like a clown. Sex robots are coming. Robots are coming to slaughter your butt. One download gets ya a slut. Trying to be human, trying to live free, believing in organic humanity. Robots are coming to steal your mind. You will be lost in the grind, and you will never see how they feed off your misery. You won't be able to wipe your ass with asking Siri, how do I wipe my butt? I don't know how to live without robots. I don't know how to live without the internet. I just wanna fuck my hand, but I live in Brown Town. Welcome to Brown Town. Fuck your cat like a clown. Fuck your cat like a clown.